guys, got the Perfect Pass Limitless out. About 27 satellites on the RaceBox. We're going to do a standalone recording, start recording, and then on the GNSS, track stop, zeroed out, track start. Alright, so let's see what we can do here, guys. Alright. Hang on 1 second here. Just got to adjust my trim. Alright guys, seems pretty good. Alright. Alright guys. Alright, road's clear. Here we go. Alright. Alright guys. Oh, come on. It was a good pass. Tire blew. Made it a little hairy stopping, but we got her stopped. Yeah. So I really hope the RaceBox gets this whole run. My last time it stopped picking up when I got down to the start. And the run before that, one of my cars flipped. So I have a feeling the RaceBoxes, I might make like a rubber case to absorb impact maybe, like I do with the GPS, the other ones. But it took me about 20 minutes to get this connected while I was on my way down here to my phone. I kept having to turn it off and back on, reset it. So I don't know, I'm hoping it got that run. I don't know, there's a bunch of lights blinking on it. But I am going to order another RaceBox as well, just to have it as a backup in case this one's not working. Alright, so GNSS is picking up. Stop, read, nice. 205 guys, awesome. So that is a single motor PB for me. Yes, that is awesome. I'm super happy with that. Yes, so this is a car that last season I did 198 with, and then I struggled this year to keep it on the ground, and I think I had just too much weight in the front with the batteries I was running, and the suspension, it was like it was bottoming out at the dip that's up there, and then the front suspension was unloading and it was causing the front end to lift. That is awesome. So I reconfigured it. All right, let's see if so All right. Okay. Well, see, it's still kind of having an issue here. No, I don't think we're gonna get anything out of my RaceBox, unfortunately. That sucks. Let me try just to see. I'd love to see the graph. Let me see if I can reboot it. But while that's happening, so I got 6S, 6S, and a 4S, TP5680, and the XC16S ESC. Oh, come on, music. Ay. So, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna try one more thing here, but just to see. But yeah, I'll order another RaceBox. It's just frustrating. I love seeing the graphs because you get to see that run build up, and you get to see if you're maxed out. But you know, this thing, it took that hit and it's just not connecting, so it sucks. I really like the RaceBox a lot, but I think this one might be done for, guys. Either way, I'm gonna mess with it, see if I can get the graph out of it, but 205 is a awesome number on my road. I'm super happy with that, guys. That is cool. So let's see here, get ESC connected, data record, save the data record. All right, we'll get that downloading. And yeah, we're running the Onyx 5K Phat packs. These are something we've been working on. So it's the 1P version of the 10K pack that's done so well. And you know, these will give us the ability to run them in odd setups like this, smaller cars. It'll help us with that. So here we go, guys. 500 amps. The run, oh, it's starting to rain, man. All right, the run was okay. I'm gonna see if I can get another run in here, guys, but I might be out of luck because it's starting to rain on me. So all right.